Every rocket launch is a bet. You're betting that everything you wired, everything you programmed, everything you packed into that nose cone fires exactly when it should. The altimeter is the brain of that bet. This is the Missile Works RRC4, a 4-channel rocket altimeter with Bluetooth connectivity, ready to handle everything from your first dual deploy to a full multi-stage flight. 4 independently programmable pyro outputs, drogue, main, and 2 auxiliary channels, all 4-amp capable, so you have the current you need for any E-match or initiator. Inside, a 100 Hz 24-bit MS5607 barometer tracks your altitude with precision, and an ADXL 375 accelerometer handles up to 200 Gs across all 3 axes, giving you inertial apogee backup your baro sensor can count on. There's a GPS T4 telemetry downlink for real-time tracking, a brake wire input for staging and air start detection, and an analog sensing input for auxiliary sensor data, all managed through the MDAX web interface over Bluetooth. Over the next 5 episodes, we'll take you from unboxing to post-flight data review, wiring, programming, pre-flight prep, and troubleshooting. Everything you need to fly equipped. All 6 episodes are available right now. Start with episode 2, where we walk every terminal, connector, and wire on the RRC4 board. See you on the pad!